Numbers 2 verses 1 to 34 2. Yahweh spoke to Moses and to Aaron, saying too, the children of Israel shall encamp every man by his own standard, with the banners of their fathers' houses. They shall encamp around the tent of meeting at a distance from it. 3. Those who encamp on the east side toward the sunrise shall be of the standard of the camp of Judah, according to their divisions. The prince of the children of Judah shall be Nashun, the son of Amminadab. 4. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 74,600. 5. Those who encamp next to him shall be the tribe of Issachar. The prince of the children of Issachar shall be Nethanel, the son of Zuar. 6. His division, and those who were counted of it, were 54,400. 7. The tribe of Zebulun. The prince of the children of Zebulun shall be Eliab, the son of Helon. 8. His division, and those who were counted of it, were 57,400. 9. All who were counted of the camp of Judah were 186,400, according to their divisions. They shall set out first. 10. On the south side shall be the standard of the camp of Reuben, according to their divisions. The prince of the children of Reuben shall be Elazar, the son of Shetter. 11. His division, and those who were counted of it, were 46,500. 12. Those who encamp next to him shall be the tribe of Simeon. The prince of the children of Simeon shall be Shelumiel, the son of Zurishaddai. 13. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 59,300. 14. The tribe of Gad. The prince of the children of Gad shall be Eliasaph, the son of Reuel. 15. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 45,650. 16. All who were counted of the camp of Reuben were 151,450, according to their armies. They shall set out second. 17. Then the tent of meeting shall set out, with the camp of the Levites in the middle of the camps. As they encamp, so shall they set out, every man in his place by their standards. 18. On the west side shall be the standard of the camp of Ephraim, according to their divisions. The prince of the children of Ephraim shall be Elishama, the son of Ammihud. 19. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 40,500. 20. Next to him shall be the tribe of Manasseh. The prince of the children of Manasseh shall be Gamliel, the son of Pedazur. 21. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 32,200. 22. The tribe of Benjamin. The prince of the children of Benjamin shall be Abidan, the son of Gideoni. 23. His army, and those who were counted of them, were 35,400. 24. All who were counted of the camp of Ephraim were 108,100, according to their divisions. They shall set out third. 25. On the north side shall be the standard of the camp of Dan, according to their divisions. The prince of the children of Dan shall be Ahiezer, the son of Ammishaddai. 26. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 62,700. 27. Those who encamp next to him shall be the tribe of Asher. The prince of the children of Asher shall be Pagiel, the son of Ochran. 28. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 41,500. 29. The tribe of Naphtali. The prince of the children of Naphtali shall be Ahira, the son of Enan. 30. His division, and those who were counted of them, were 53,400. 31. All who were counted of the camp of Dan were 157,600. They shall set out last by their standards. 32. These are those who were counted of the children of Israel by their fathers' houses. All who were counted of the camps according to their armies were 603,550. 33. But the Levites were not counted among the children of Israel, as Yahweh commanded Moses. 34. Thus the children of Israel did, according to all that Yahweh commanded Moses. So they encamped by their standards, and so they set out, everyone by their families, according to their fathers' houses. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about Numbers chapter 2, verses 1 to 34. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.